Fold 2 Narcissus purple pipe cleaners in half and cut. Overlap each pair, then cross and twist the 4 pieces tight. Fold 3 of them upward. Roll all strands inward one by one. Split 1 Narcissus purple pipe cleaner into 2 equal pieces. Roll 1 piece, then thread the end through the center to form a large petal. Make 5 large petals total. Take 1 green pipe cleaner, measure 2.5 centimeters. Leave 1 centimeter, cross and twist tight. Make 5 sepals and trim short. Add glue to the flower base, attach the 5 large petals one by one. Glue the sepals to the bottom center of the flower. Apply glue to the top of a stem, attach the flower. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.